recording yourself right now?
Hi. Welcome to Cooking with Roger and Makayla. So the other day I asked you guys on Instagram if y'all wanted to watch me make brownies, and y'all said yes for whatever reason. I don't know, because I don't know how to make brownies. Probably gonna burn the house down. But I have professional brownie maker, a special guest, Makayla Howard, here. She's not professional, she just knows how to make brownies. Yeah, I got the Duncan Hines milk chocolate brownie mix. She decided to be bougie and get her own brownie mix for whatever reason. So now we're making two things of brownies, two batches of brownies. Why? I don't know.
Because mine are gonna taste better and his are gonna taste like burnt chocolate.
Cut the cameras.
Somebody calling me?
Roger.
Hey, Jasmine. Okay, so back to what we're doing. We got a 40. Wait, we poured it in the bowl, right?
Yes, we poured it in the bowl.
Wait, when do we pour it in the bowl?
Are you, like, medically speaking, are you like I'm not trying to be mean, like, are you dumb?
So Makayla's gonna grease the pans because I hate the way oil feels. It feels so, it's not sticky, it's not watery, it's like not a feeling that I like. Okay, so wait, which one is mine? Wait a minute. This one's mine. Yeah. I love cracking eggs. I'm the best.
Oh, that's a little powerful.
Damn.
It's giving Squidward.
You wanna know what this mop on your head is giving? Let me stop this. My hair looks
You ain't giving the curls today. You giving Afro-tastic.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
She thick.
like me. One. Two. Oh, 3.
2 hours later.
9.
You don't dump that thing in there?
You can't whip it and mix it like I can. Chef Roger up in here. Did I add enough water?
You don't know what CeeLo is? CeeLo Green?
What's the big city greens? That would get on my nerves. You would be asleep in the morning and wake up to your mom. So now we done mixing. Mine looks better.
No, it don't.
I know. I'm going home.
Right now, oh, hi. So I'm gonna show you guys what we did while we waited for the brownies to cook, bake, cook, whatever, same thing. So we did a little workout, not really. Then we made some TikToks. And then we had a dance party, I think. What is that? Then we stared at the brownies for 10 minutes.
Ready.
I don't think so.
I think they are.
And then we pretended to play the game because she doesn't know how to play the game. I still beat her though. And then finally, the brownies were done.
So the brownies are done. We added 1K on hers because we're celebrating me hitting 1,000 followers on Instagram. This is mine. Mine clearly looks better. What happened? That's your piece. For the final truth. Mine was good. I'm gonna try Makayla's.
It was good. You know he liked it. He like it.
No, okay. Hers tastes better. Well, we're gonna eat these brownies, and by we, I mean me.
Yeah.
More than likely gonna eat both of these batches by myself, so might see me on the next season of My 600 Pound Life.
No, you won't. Also, tune in next time if you want to see me wax his legs.
No, nobody. See you guys in the next video. Bye.